партньорски организации от Испания, Швеция, Италия и България изпълнява проект Green Changemakers, финансиран по програма Erasmus+. Проект Green Changemakers акцентира върху повишаване на екологичната осведоменост, развиване на разбиране у младежите за ключовите глобални екологични предизвикателства. В рамките на проекта в периода 19-23 октомври 2024 година в Смолян се проведе обучителен семинар с участието на 16 младежки работници от 4 държави. Младежките работници работиха в интернационални и в национални групи по специално разработени по проекта методики, с които в последствие да обучават младежи. Политики на Европейския съюз за младежта и стратегия на Европейския съюз за младежта. Активно участие и участие на младежите. Политика на Европейския съюз в областта на околната среда. Зелен пакт на Европейския съюз и EU for климат. Какво е устойчивост? Какво е кръгова икономика? Ежедневна повторна употреба на отпадъци и добри практики. Методологии и стратегии за менторство. Процеси и методологии за съвместно проектиране. А ето и част от самите дейности.
You are shaking your head.
Yes, the same thing with brushing my teeth.
Yeah.
And everything.
I feel like it's worth it monetarily. There's a big issue that people still don't care about it. They usually do it because it's easier, you get money from it and things like that. Like in Sweden, my parents have solar panels, they recycle everything, but they don't care at all about it.
I can't hear you supporting the people. I can't hear you supporting. I can't hear you.
Including why? That's the meaning of this. That's the main goal. Alright. Salma.
For me, the most interesting and most
every people. And the questioning about the font, I believe that
Creation, electrification of rivers and lakes, causing significant.
Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Your movement. Okay. That's your movement. I know, at the beginning it's overwhelming, stressful, different, new, it's okay.
have more motivation to do these things.
Част от дейностите по екологично образование бяха изпълнени сред природата. Извършени са и практически дейности във връзка с идеи за рециклиране на отпадъци. част от културната програма, младежките работници посетиха регионалния музей и картинната галерия в Смолян. Младежките работници работиха по темите: създатели на зелени промени, съвместно проектиране на НФО дейности, зелени дейци на промяната, Европа в образа, творци на промяната, европейски младежки цели, зелени дейци на промяната, презентации на зелената сделка на Европейския съюз, създатели на зелена промяна, кръгови стартиращи компании. А ето и част от техните разработки.
There is a lot of unwanted and unused waste in our society, like clothes, furniture, or electronics. Massive amounts of useful items sitting unused in people's homes. We want to use a circular business model to transform these items into beautiful and useful pieces of art and products, and thus creating value out of waste by looping it back into society. Our company will collect these items through local donations and recovery programs and then collaborate it with local artists and designers, giving them a platform through weekly exhibitions to showcase their creativity and earn an income while at the same time reducing waste in people's homes and our environment. We run the business through several different revenue streams such as sales, donations, government grants, and private investors. At the same time, we will foster a relationship with local schools, universities, and volunteers to support the project while at the same time giving back to society. By reducing waste and empowering artists, we will not just be cleaning up the environment, we will also foster a community that values sustainability and creativity. On a local level, we are bringing work to jobless artists and designers, while a portion of our sales also goes to environmental charities, making a positive impact beyond our immediate circle.
Hi everyone, we are Path Prince, and we want to live a path in this world through breaking boundaries in the working world. Disability isn't always a choice, but to be helpful, it is instead. So we're here to give you all the opportunity to comprehend our vision through projects and workshops.
So for this project, we would like to introduce new workspaces, places, and improve social consideration and understanding of people with disabilities. We would like to engage a large portion of those people into the workforce, and economically we can improve job creations and help people who might feel out of place or have hard times finding work. Also, we're creating specialized leadership positions so that the course can be held by people with disabilities for people with disabilities, which will better the environment for participating members. More so, this pushes forward the concept of autonomy and motivation to not only our members, but the entire community and nearby societies.
Exactly. And like he said, the impact will be extremely significant and also relevant. This is going to be a socio-economic impact, and this will come in the form of a reduction of the unemployment rate, increasing the job availability, specifically increasing job availability for the underprivileged and people with disabilities. This is going to increase diversity in the workplace. These are not only relevant, but they lead to the simply positive socio-economic impacts and results. Moreover, when considering sustainability in our project, we're going to have events where we specifically focus on reducing food waste and reuse the excess food in order to create value for those who are underprivileged, such as homeless people, by providing meals. Moreover, this puts our members in a position where they have to give back to the community. And thank you.
Thank you.
I'm excited to introduce Craft Cycle, a social enterprise focused on empowering skilled and employed artisans by providing business training and a path to economic independence. We start by working with artisans who already have manual skills, such as crafting, woodworking, or textile arts, but struggle to turn those talents into sustainable livelihoods. Our program equips them with the entrepreneurship skills needed to start and grow their own business, covering everything from marketing and product development to financial management. These artisans can then showcase and sell their products on our platform, which connects them with socially conscious consumers who value sustainable, locally made goods. By focusing initially on those with existing skills, we ensure the quality of the products we feature, establishing a solid foundation for growth and customer trust. As Craft Cycle evolves, we'll introduce a tiered mentorship system where the most successful artisans can become mentors for other unemployed individuals eager to learn a craft. These mentors will earn a commission on the sales of the new artisans they train, creating a sustainable cycle of learning, income generation, and skill sharing. This model not only supports the growth of individuals' business, but fosters a supportive community where success is shared. Our approach creates a ripple effect of opportunity, providing artisans with business skills, creating jobs, and promoting sustainable craftsmanship. It empowers people to rise together, turning skilled hands into sustainable livelihoods. Craft Cycle isn't just about selling handmade products. It's about creating a movement that values craftsmanship, economic resilience, and social impact. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to having you join us in making a difference.
Craft Cycle, representing the sustainable cycle of learning, creating, and mentoring.
Знанията и уменията, придобити по време на семинара, ще бъдат приложени в по-нататъчни дейности на партньорските организации, не само в рамките на проекта, но и след разпространението им и сред много организации, които ще бъдат приобщени към идеята за тези неформални методи за екологично обучение, като начин за повишаване на отговорността към опазване на околната среда. Всички участници получиха сертификати, които документират уменията, придобити от младежките работници.